Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Deco X95 Mesh Wi-Fi Setup Tutorial. Step 1. Unbox and power on. Take the TP-Link Deco X95 units out of the box. Connect the main Deco to a power outlet and wait until the LED starts blinking blue, indicating it's ready for setup. Step 2. Connect to your modem. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect your modem, or ONT, to any Ethernet port on the main Deco X95. Then restart your modem if your ISP recommends it. Step 3. Install the TP-Link Deco app. Download the TP-Link Deco app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create a TP-Link ID or sign in to your existing account. Step 4. Add your Deco X95. Open the Deco app, tap Add Deco, and select Deco X95 from the device list. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. Step 5. Set up your internet connection. Choose your internet connection type, dynamic IP, PPPoE, or static IP. If your ISP provided a username and password, enter them when prompted. Step 6. Create your Wi-Fi network. Enter a custom Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and create a strong password. The Deco system will apply these settings automatically. Step 7. Add additional Deco units. Place the second and third Deco units around your home. Plug them in, and the app will detect and add them to your mesh network automatically. For the best coverage, keep each unit within a good signal range of another Deco. Step 8. Check the connection. Wait until every Deco's LED turns solid green, confirming that all mesh nodes are connected and working correctly. Step 9. Update the firmware. In the Deco app, check for firmware updates and install the latest version. Updates can improve stability, security, and performance. Step 10. Connect your devices. Connect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, and other devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password you created. Walk around your home to verify seamless roaming and strong Wi-Fi coverage. Thanks for watching.